So you want to create something new during gameplay. That's what spawn actor from class does. It spawns an actor of your chosen class into the world. Now to get this node, you first of all like to click like left click and type in spawn actor from class like this. And when you click it, it will appear like this. So for now, we are going to use the execution pin of event begin play, and I will type delay of like 5 seconds so we can see clearly what's going to happen. And for this, we are going to connect it like this. And now what to spawn? For now, for demonstration purposes, I created a temporary blueprint where I have a sphere in it, just a sphere, nothing interesting for demonstration purposes. And I will just click this button. This will just bring it here, or otherwise you can just search it from here. Now we have the temp file here. And for the location, I will just split the pin here, and I already have a variable, I mean the location. You can just type the location here or just promote it to variable like this. I have already a variable, a location for the tutorial purpose like here. And yes, so few things to consider. You can set the rotation of that actor. You can also set the scale of the actor and also the collision type, like always spawn, ignore collision, try adjust location. This simply means if it's colliding with something, it will not spawn that actor. And this helps a lot when there is a problematic material or the location is not right. It will help you reduce error as much as possible. But for now, we are going to just leave it to default, and I will do a print string so we can get the name of the spawn actor like this. And to get the name, you just correct it directly and it will convert the to string like get display name, this one. For scale, I will keep it to 1.5. You can choose it whatever you like or just leave it at 1. And rotation, I don't care because it's a sphere. So, and let's just leave it, and I compile the actor. And now in the scene, it should spawn here after 5 seconds. So as soon as we click this, after 5 seconds, it should spawn somewhere here. And as you can see, spawn and type in temp 0, it also come here like an outliner. You can find it like this. Yeah, here it is, the sphere, the temporary blueprint we created, it's spawned. So it is super useful when you are like spawning a projectile, enemies, or pick up, like you pick up a plant or something like that. It is super useful in that case of or something like that.
And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.